Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best replacement filters that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Replacement Filters. When it comes to residential water filters, if you spend a bit of time researching, you can get very effective filters for the intended purpose without bleeding your wallet dry. Not everyone has the time for research, so we are here to help you pick the best water filters and filtration systems for any intended purpose. Number 5. 3M AquaPure Drop-In Cartridge AP117NB. Sandiprene gaskets on both ends help provide sealing within housings, which helps to prevent bypass of unfiltered water. Main features: reduces sediment chlorine taste. Average cartridge life. Materials are FDA CFR 21 compliant. Number 4. AquaPure 70,020,318,823 AP217 4,629,002 Under Sink Replacement Filter Cartridge. Main features: 3M AquaPure Under Sink Full Flow. Replacement Water Filter. NSF listed to reduce chlorine taste. Number 3. iSpring Greatwell MC7 Reverse Osmosis Membrane Replacement 75 GPD. Tested by independent third party to meet NSF/NC standards, our reverse osmosis membrane is made of food-grade high-capacity material. Main features: top-notch quality. Peace of mind customer service. There are wet and dry membranes. Number 2. Charcoal Water Filters Replacements Fits Keurig 2.0 models. The best coffee filters are made of charcoal, which can remove impurities, calcium, and odors that can be dangerous to health. Main features: the filter fit Keurig 2.0 machines. Can remove impurities, calcium. Replacement charcoal water. Number 1. 3M AquaPure Under Sink Replacement Water Filter APDW8090. It is ideal for drinking as well as for cooking. Its universal system design is effective for use on both chlorinated and non-chlorinated well water. Main features: easy to replace. Cleaner water. Carbon block filtration. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.